Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create shortcodes in WordPress. Shortcode you already heard about it like contact from 7. We are just copying the shortcode and paste it somewhere, whatever, wherever, and it shows that content whatever it is in the shortcode, right? So we are going to create some mini function that is custom shortcode. So you can extend it over somewhere you can if you want, right? So let's start the tutorial. So here I have added one shortcode here. I have added subscribe link to shortcode, right? And what it is gonna be returning the simple text, the simple text. And if I just put this subscribe shortcode in our theme, let me go to the pages, add new page, and I'm going to add the shortcode, and here I'm just adding this. What it will return? Subscribe, reload. If you enjoyed this article, I encourage you to like, share, and comment. Right? So wherever you want this shortcut to be pasted, you can do it. Whether you want to create the custom form, custom gallery, anything that you want to add, you need to return all the things from here, and whenever you're going to paste it, it will show what the logic you have added in the function. It will show it over here, right? So this is how we can create the custom shortcodes and paste it whenever we are required, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to extend this video, you just write in the comment section. I will explain much more on that tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.